Hello world, welcome back to my channel. My name's Paul. We're all packed ready to go again, heading closer to Kathmandu every day. I'm not even going to mention the name of this hotel. It was terrible, really bad. But Janet and I decided early on in the channel, if we haven't got something nice to say about a place, we won't say anything. So I'm not even going to mention their name or anything, but it was terrible. But anyway guys, I'm going to get on the road, get some miles up. I'll see you a bit later. Well, coming the country way guys has been maybe not my best choice. It's been a lot of traffic, a lot of level crossings like this, waiting for trains, but my butt's sore. I don't think I'm going to last much longer today. And having a little break and some food here with this guy. Say hello. All my admirers. Everywhere I go I get a crowd guys, especially with Libby. So I just stopped to have a little snack, delicious but spicy, and then we'll get some more miles up. Oh, my butt's sore. I'll do probably another 2 hours. I'd like to do another 3 Google Maps hours. That means I've got 10 more to go to Nepal, to Kathmandu, but we'll see how I go for the rest. Another level crossing. Going through this all day. I've done about 2 hours by Google Maps, but about 3.5 hours my time, real time. So this is going to be a slow trip. I should have taken the other road, but it's too late now. I'm not complaining. My butt's sore. Another maybe 2 hours real time. I'll start looking for somewhere to sleep. And as usual, she's attracted a crowd. People everywhere. People here. I've attracted a crowd. Libby's attracted a crowd. Just having a soda water, and then I'll get some more miles up. These guys, people everywhere. Goodbye, my friends. Well guys, I'm done for the day, really done. My butt's sore. So I found this hotel, the Surya Hotel. I forget the name of this town. I'll type it here if I can. Amazing hotel guys, clean, one of the cleanest places I've stayed at in India. Nice people, Netflix on the TV, so I won't be too bored today. Oh gosh, what a ride. And I just was looking at the film from this morning. When I left the hotel, the GoPro on my helmet was all fogged up. And I was telling you then that there was 2 ways I could have gone to Kathmandu. The main way, like up the expressway, or a country way. And I chose the country way. So that's what I was talking about when I was at that level crossing. But I wasn't sure if I made the right choice, but it looks like on Google Maps I'll be passing into Nepal tomorrow. It's exciting guys. But anyway, I'm going to go and be lazy and just enjoy this room. It's about 4:30 in the afternoon, 5 o'clock. I can eat now, but they turn on the tandoori oven at 7, so I can have a proper, really good meal at 7. So I'm going to wait and watch some Netflix. Morning guys, Surya Hotel. Like I said yesterday, probably the best hotel I've stayed at in India. It was amazing. We're all loaded up, ready to go. It's a terrible day. I thought about staying another day, but I'm just not getting any closer. So we're going to head off, see how far we can get before the storm really sets in. But for now, goodbye. That's the Nepal border. Oh no, it's not. They're waiting for a thing. I thought that last 20 minutes of this trying to find the border, and now I'm just going to rely on Google Maps again. Go, brother. Nepal! Yes sir, yes sir, yes sir. Well, that's why Google Maps didn't bring me to this border, because I couldn't pass. Well guys, they really didn't want to be on camera, did they? Anyway, I need to trust in Google Maps. She's never let me down. That was a locals only crossing, so after all that maze of one-lane streets and everything, half an hour of stress just to find out I can't see. Everyone wants to be on camera. Hey. Oh, so I'm just having a cold soda water. She's sitting over there attracting a crowd again, and we've got about another 75 k's to the border.
You no permission this border. Your permission next border, checking your passport.
So where do I go?
Understand?
Yes, I do understand. So not this way.
Not allowed.
Okay, Sirani, I was told. Sirani?
Not allow other country person.
Okay.
This border.
Okay, okay, okay.
Your passport check another border.
Okay, right. Well, I just got to the second border crossing. The army searched everything, I mean everything. Stripped all my bags, everything, but that's their job. And some official guy came over and said, oh, you're not allowed to cross at this border either, so I've got to go another 6 hours up the road. That's all right, I'm just following the border along. I would have had to do it at the other side because this border crossing is pretty much parallel with Kathmandu. Anyway guys, I've got a nice cold soda water. And have a bit of a break, speak to Janet, and then we'll be back on the road. Morning guys. Sorry I didn't film any more yesterday, but it was about 5 o'clock by the time I found a hotel room, so that was an 8 hours riding day. Big day. I was exhausted, and this morning I forgot, but I figured this was a nice place to do my morning how are you today. Look where we are. I don't know if this is a river or a lake, and we've got a funeral going past here guys, and by the size of the body on that, I think it's a really young kid. Oh guys, that was stressful. A whole village of just mud. Like, I mean, look at her. You can see her. This whole village was mud. And then I got to the end and the road was blocked, so I had to go back all the way through it. Oh, but I'm back on the bitumen now, which is lucky. It's an hour to the border. Oh gosh, that was stressful. I've got a soda water, but it's not cold, but I've got to drink something. And I've used about half a litre of oil since I left Chennai, so I needed to get some more. These are the guys that sold it to me. These are all his mates. And there she is there looking pretty dirty. I'm here at this hotel, really nice hotel, but no foreigners. So luckily for me, these guys are going to open the gate. I can ride out of here because I had a bit of trouble getting in at that little thing there. Yeah. What a day. It's about 1 o'clock, 1:30, and I left about 7:30, so it was still a pretty long day, but oh but guys, what a day. It was, yeah, some of those towns. I definitely won the lottery of birth being born in Australia. Some of these people, the town I went through, it was just completely mud and like water 2 inches deep. I've got a hotel here. I'm in Raxaul. I'm right on the Nepalese border, Indian side. And, it's the only hotel that takes foreigners, which seems a bit weird on the border crossing. The only border crossing foreigners can cross. But that's all right. It only cost me like maybe 15 US. It's all right. Cold shower, but oh, as you can see, I'm sweating, guys. I don't need a hot shower. Doing South Asia in monsoon season, probably a while since I've had a haircut. So these guys are doing my hair. It's looks like the number 2 is as short as the one in Bangladesh. That's all right. It'll grow back. Well, it's so humid that the clippers were just running through the hair and not doing anything. So he did the whole lot by scissors. I think he's done a pretty good job. But I think you've all realised by now, I don't care. I really don't care. It's just, if I keep my hair this short, I don't have to brush it. If I keep a beard, I don't have to shave. It's all about making life easier. Well guys, I just stopped in here on my soda water search and met these really nice people. I'm on my 3rd cup of soda already. They're all laughing at me. They've put 2 bottles in the freezer for me to take back to my hotel. What lovely people. So I just came to get Libby cleaned. These guys are going to do it, and my friend here paid for it. He wouldn't take any money. I feel ashamed because
that is no biggest one. So he's actually our guest. So I think this is something I can do for him.
Thank you very much, my friend. I do appreciate it. Well, Libby's cleaner than I bet she's been in the 5 years that I've owned her. They took about an hour and a half, and it would have only cost me $3 if that other guy hadn't paid for it. Yes, and guys, I want to apologise for the title of this video. It was a bit misleading, but I couldn't resist. And now I've got plenty of footage to make a video, so if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that Mad Dog icon up there or the subscribe button down below. May as well hit that bell icon while you're down there. I always try and respond to your comments, so leave a comment, give me a big thumbs up, share this video everywhere you can. We'll see you in the next one.